Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Cardano. Today, the price action of Cardano has dropped from $1.10 to 30 cents, more than 72% drop in a single day. And I think there will be a lot of traders who have taken a big benefit of this drop because there will be a lot of people who sold their asset in panic. And there are a big number of traders who have taken this drop as an opportunity and bought it back. Now we can see that it has recovered above $1 again, and previously we have seen that the price action of ADA formed this bull flag and broke out this resistance of the flag, and now it has also retested this previous resistance as a support, and this was really a very big drop. If we move to the small time period 4-hour chart, then we can see this was the resistance line that was working as a support this time, and previously it was the resistance of this down channel, and this is the down channel on the daily chart, the bull flag, and on the hourly chart it is clear down channel. Now the price action after this big drop, you can see that even did not break down this 50 simple moving average as well. So far we have a good support of 50 simple moving average, and the closing of this 4-hour candlestick is above 50 simple moving average. You can see that the closing price is, if I'll place this mouse cursor here, you can see the price, the closing price here. Now I'm placing it here, and you can see that we have the closing above 98 cents, and now the price action is likely to move up from here. Now I want to show you one more important thing that I have already shown you in my previous video as well, that after this breakout of $1 resistance level, we can see that the price action in my previous video I told you has found a very good support uptrend line, and we have also this resistance as well. The price action is getting rejected by this resistance level whenever it is reaching at this level, and it is getting bounced from this support level several times. And this time we can see that the price line on this daily time frame chart did not break down this support level so far, because today we are not having closing so far. We are not having closing below this support so far, and we also have good supports of EMA 10 and 21 daily below the price action and below this support of the channel as well. Even though this was a really very big spike, very big drop, but the price action is not close below these all support levels. So we cannot expect that this uptrend will be ended unless these supports won't be broken down, like this up channel support on the daily time frame chart, this EMA 21, and this the price action is also likely to find a good support above the $1 resistance level that is now working as a support so far. But it depends where this today's candlestick will be closed. For example, if it will be closed above this $1, then we can expect maybe the price action will have some sideways move, then it will decide to move up or move down. Now I want to show you one more thing that is really very important, and I've also shown you this move as well in my previous video, that the price action had found a very good uptrend line support on the 4-hour chart as well. This was the daily time frame chart support, and this is a short-term support that the price action has found this short-term market structure on the 4-hour chart, and we can see that we have very good supports below this trend line, that is the 50 and 100 simple moving averages. And the price action, whenever it is reaching at this support, like here and here, and the price action, whenever it is moving at the support, it is getting bounced after hitting at the support. And this time it happened again. You can see that the price action tried hard to break down the support, but did not break down, recovered back, and now it is moving again above $1. And we cannot expect that this trend line, first of all, if we are looking for any downtrend, for upcoming downtrend, and first of all we should take care of this support. If this support will be broken down, this is a short-term support, and these moving averages, the 50 and 100 and 200 especially, the simple moving averages on the 4-hour chart, then we should look at this support, that is the daily time frame, and this is an up channel, and the price action should break down this support in the EMA 21 daily. If we will have the closing below these levels, then that can be the alarming situation, a critical situation, that the price action is going to start the downtrend from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there, and you will find a lot more other trading ideas there as well. Take care. Goodbye.